Hi, this is Tara from Simpleday, and I am on a mission to make productivity simple using Monday.com. In today's video, I wanted to show you how you can use a formula column to change currencies. Now, as you can see, this board is an invoices board here, and I have three columns that I set up. One that has the amounts, and this is only a numbers column. It doesn't have any specific currency attached to it. Then I have a status column, which has different currencies. In this example, I have pounds, shekels, and US dollars. And here's a column that will turn everything into US dollars. So basically what I did is, like I said, these are two straightforward columns, and here is a formula column. So I'll include the formula in the notes, but you can see that we have the amount column, and then we're going to switch the currency, and then I can list whatever currency I want and the amounts that it the exchange rate. Now, if the exchange rate changes, obviously I would need to change this number. Like right now, it's 1.25 pounds to the dollar. So if it would change, let's say to 1.26, all I'd have to do is go in and change the number to 1.26 and set formula. So I'll just show you how this works. So if I would enter here, I have 100 pounds, so it's showing up as $125. If I would change this to NIS, so then it shows up as $30. And then what I did is I just did a total sum on all of this. I hope this was helpful.